Hello to everyone. Now I want to show you something, and I shouldn't. I should did that before. So I did it now because to make or to set up something like this, or to fraud something like this or whatever, it's practically impossible. So let me show you something. This is one of the strongest earthquakes in the world, with a lot of victims was present in this earthquake. After the earthquake. So that was 7.9 Eastern Sichuan, China, at May 12, 2008. That was 6:28 in UTC Standard Time, which was 8:28 in the Croatian time. Now I'm going to show you first the earthquake. So the earthquake goes by the comet Whipple 36P, and I'm going to zoom out now, and I'm going to show you the epicenter of the earthquake, which is here above. Just a moment. Here it is. So this is the Guangzhou, Eastern Sichuan. This is the epicenter. So let me zoom in and let me show you the orbit of the Whipple, which passed at 8:26, which is 2 minutes prior to the earthquake, above the Guangzhou, Eastern Sichuan, China. Now I want to show you something from the different perspective, and from the different perspective is this. So the local time, it's 14:26. Let me show you. Local time 14:28. It was earthquake. At 14:26, it was a comet in alignment with these 3 points. So this is the Guangzhou, Eastern China here. This is the moon, and this is the comet Whipple. Now, as you can see, we have here epicenter, we have moon, we have point where these 2 orbits are crossing each other under the 90 degrees, okay? And this is the comet Whipple. So, what is the chance that one of these 3 points will be in alignment with this epicenter under the rule of 90 degrees? Okay, I will tell you what is the chance. It's a 3 point against 360 degrees. Okay, so we have 360 degrees versus 3 possibility. So you understand that this is very, very low number of possibilities. So let me show you where is the 90-degree angle. Look at it here. This is where the comet is crossing. And now we are going to here, and we got what? We have 270 degrees position angle. What is 270 degrees angle? 270 degrees angle, it's a 90 degrees angle. So let me explain it. We got 0, which is 360. This is the end of the circle, okay? 0 is equal to 360. Then we have 90 degrees. 90 and 90 is 180 degrees. 180 degrees and 90 degrees, it's 270 degrees. Okay? So this is the 90 degrees angle. 60 more, 90 more, we had 360 degrees. So in a moment of the earthquake, not even the second later or prior to this, in the moment of the hit, which was 2 minutes prior to the official strike in the ground, the orbit of the comet and the moon are under 90 degrees, and the orbit of the comet passing exactly in the center of this place. Okay, so this is slightly above. So if we put here the horizon, this is the horizon, then you can see that this is what they see from the ground. Here is the moon, and here is the orbit of the comet, which passing straight above the city. So let me show you this. Here it is. This is the Guangzhou, eastern China. This is the orbit of the comet, and now I will remove, here it is, you see the Whipple 36P. I will remove now the orbit, and the orbit will disappear from above the Guangzhou. Here it is. I remove the comet from the Whipple, and this is the Whipple. Okay, so this is the moment of the earthquake. What is the chance for this to be coincidence? Such incident is not exist. So now I already showed you what happens in Japan. I have a Japan earthquake here. Here is the Japan earthquake, and I have also perfectly 90-degree angle from here. Let me show you this. This is the moon, and 270 degrees is the angular separation between comet Ash, which caused the earthquake in Japan, and the moon, which was at this position at that time. I didn't show you something very special, and that is that the moon in this moment was at 55% in the dark. So again, my theory is right from the both way, from the phase, lunar phase wave, and from the comet and angular separation. Okay, this is it. So now, thank you very much for your attention. I can do this for any earthquake, which is natural, of course. And I just want to show you this one, because this one in China was, I don't know how many people, 100,000 of people died there. I forget, I think it was about 300,000 people or something like that. It's one of the biggest disasters in the world since the earthquakes occur. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.